Hey guys, it's Caleb with Black Pearl Media. I'm just coming to grab my car here, seeing that the truck is out of commission. My fiance gave me a ride, so thank you, Christina, for giving me a ride. Appreciate that. But just started up, and we're gonna give it a minute to warm up here, and then we're gonna drive it around a bit. So let's get to it. Thanks, babe. Appreciate you. All right, so we're in the car. It's been in storage for like a month or so, so it's gotten pretty dusty. I'm gonna take it through a touchless car wash, and then we're gonna drive a section of road that I think is pretty fun. You know, poor circumstances to have the car out. Don't like driving around on the salty roads and everything, but it is kind of nice to get back into the driver's seat, so enjoying that. But yeah, I'll cut to the car wash and then the road. So let's get to it. Well, she's back home. Good to have her home. She actually drove really well. When I was in the car wash, this started to rattle. This has been loose for like a long time. I even actually tried to put some like glue there, but it actually didn't work. I don't really care. I gotta get some maybe another section of 3M tape to go under here, but other than that, it's pretty good. For these louvers, you guys can see this here, I put little rubber stoppers. They're like rubber hosing. I just cut down the middle and put them on the blades. I highly suggest you do that. The ones that I did were only like a couple of inches wide, like 6 inches wide. I would definitely go for longer than that. Whole length if you could. It would really cut down on the chatter, but it honestly doesn't really bother me too much. Oh man, I mean, just look how good she looks. Ooh-wee. So that's it for this video. Got the Z out. Gonna have her for like a week and a half until the truck's transmission is fixed, and then it's going back into storage. I really don't like driving around on the salt and the snow and everything, and it is on it's on Bridgestone tires right now, and they're not meant for the snow whatsoever. So yeah, keep you guys posted on what's next. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.